Picture tayo din. Please, why ko yung cellphone? Ayaw mo. Babad na ako dito.
Kia! So when...
8 seconds is finally here in the Philippines. Actually, this is my first visit, so definitely my first impression of 8 seconds, and I can tell that everything, the collection right now is very cohesive. I'm wearing the 8 seconds clothes right now. As you can see, it's very cute. And makikita ko naman na very promising ang 8 seconds dito sa Pilipinas. As you can see naman around the store, there are so many collections that you can pick from. It's been looking like a new shopping area for me. Follow them in all their socials.